XMR, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here. Okay, this is what we get. And when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned any trade we get within this move, we have to start to manage, because when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the one more drop similar to what we get here. We didn't get here, the price move a bit higher, then this is what we get, because we have been looking for this flat for continuation, and this is what we have been looking for. All right, now we want to see what's the next. As we can see, the price broke the previous top, and if you refer to the indicators, we can see that we have a divergence as well here. Okay, now the question is, either we could looking for this correction can turn to a more complex correction before we get the next move, or we can look for correction here before we get the next move. We want to see how we can trade it. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to wait and get the proper correction. Okay, and we will need to confirm how complex can be. All right, in this case, we start with higher time frame. We see what we have based on daily chart. Based on daily chart, as we can see, the price broke this correction, and the way is moving. Even this one can continue as a corrective with a breakout of this, but you are not looking for the corrective move. We're looking for the sharp move if you want to look for buy. That's why we need to be quite careful if there is the continuation is a corrective move. And even if you move to forward chart, this is what we can see right now. If we want to look for buy, we want the price to break this previous top, which is almost 288. Okay, but the only thing is how we can trade, because already we have this flat. All right, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. As I explained, we cannot buy right now. The best things, we get the correction here. If we get any correction, we take the trade. If we get any buy setup, and whatever the trade from now we get, we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage until the price broke 288. As we explained here, is exact price is almost 288.2. All right, by the way, still we can look for buy, but from now, for me, if I get any buy setup, I will consider as a short term until the price broke to break 288. Okay, either we get a correction here, or this one turn to a more complex correction. In this case, we just follow the chart. Right now, we don't have any trade setup. Even the price continue from here, we cannot look for trade. How about if there is a continuation with the flag, then we can expect the price to give us one more drop. At that times, this one turn to the internal, and then we can have a more complex. By the way, we don't have any trade setup, and in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.